In this walkthrough, you will learn how to manage access to Dataverse environments and Power Automate flows using Azure Active Directory security groups. We will then add an Azure Active Directory group as a member of another group to make it easier when we want to add new user. The first step is to open Azure Active Directory. For this example, I have two Azure Active Directory security groups already created. We will use the Flow Admins group to manage owner access to a flow. The Flow Production Environment group will control access to the Power Platform environment that has the flows. To assign the Azure AD group to the flow, first open the Power Automate site and edit the flow. Click Edit in the Owners pane, and then add the name of the Azure AD group that you want to use. Select OK. And now that it's added, the next step is to open the Power Platform Admin Center. Select the environment that you want to change, and in the Details pane, select Edit. Over on the right, under Security Groups, we'll go ahead and press the Edit icon. Type in the name of the Azure AD group that you want to use. We'll go ahead and select it, and now we'll say Done, and then we'll save our changes. At this point, if we had a new user that we needed to manage the Power Automate flows, we would need to add them as a member to both of our Azure AD groups, one to manage the flow, the other to have access to the environment. To simplify the process of adding a new user, go to the Azure Active Directory and then edit the group that grants access to the environment. Select Members. We'll go ahead and add a member. Use the name of the Azure AD group. In our case, it's going to be Flow Admins. Go ahead and press Select. And now that Azure AD group is a member of the other one. Now that we've added the Flow Admins as a member of the other Azure AD security group, when new users require access to those flows, they simply need to be added to the Flow Admins. They will automatically gain access to the environment as it is now a member of the Flow Production Environment group. With Azure Active Directory groups, you can manage access to Dataverse environments and their Power Automate flows.